everyone, welcome back to Nailmas and welcome to Nailmas Day 20. Today I'm doing a very non-traditional Christmas design, but one that I've actually done in the past and absolutely loved. So I'm starting off with a new Moonshine Mani called I Can See Your Glass From Here, and it's a matte finish polish that totally looks like sea glass. And on top of it today, I'm going to be painting a seahorse. I know, you're probably like, what does a seahorse have to do with Christmas? It really has nothing to do with Christmas, but I love a beachy Christmas theme, so we're also gonna deck this seahorse out with a little Christmas hat. So obviously, not a realistic seahorse by any means. So I'm going the very simple route today. I am just using orange, where traditionally I would probably like mix different shades and put texture to them, because in reality that's how it would be, and he wouldn't necessarily be orange. There's a lot of different colors of seahorses. Actually, if you want something cool to do, like just look up seahorses. They're so pretty and they can be so unique and different. But I created a little curly tail and like towards the front of his body. Then I'm going up and you have like the bump out, be like in the belly area, I guess you could say. Of course, the anatomy of a seahorse is different than what we're used to, but they're very unique. They have like one little fin in the back for like a flat version. And then I'm going to go ahead and do its head. It kind of goes in towards like the belly section, and then it comes out like a long beak. But of course, it is not a beak, but that's just kind of the shape description that I know how to give. Like I said, I'm not going into super like major details, whereas I think in the past I possibly did. I probably did like multiple shades of orange to give it more to it, but today I just stuck with one shade of orange. I did find that my orange acrylic paint was a little thin, I guess you could say, so I did have to go back in and kind of add to it every now and then just to make sure it was fully opaque. But then after that part was done, I went in with black and a very tiny brush, and I just put in a black dot for the eye. You could add in more details by like putting another white dot on top of it to give it more of like an eye-like feature, but of course under the sea animals and their eyes are completely different than what we would traditionally think of. Then after that was done, I went in and started putting in the Santa hat. So it's kind of a short stumpy triangle with a little line going over the edge, if that makes sense. It's going to be like the part of the hat that I'd be folding over with the little pom-pom on the end. Also, I don't know if I mentioned this earlier, but all of the paint that I'm using is acrylic paint, and the brush that I am using is a What's Up Nails Dance 24 brush. It has been my go-to brush this season. It works so well and I love it. So after I'm done with the red, I'm going to go in and put the white fluffy part at the bottom of the hat, and I'll put the pom-pom on the tip of the part that's hanging. And that is going to be it for this design. After you are done with that, of course, you want to let it dry completely. Then apply your choice of top coat. I really enjoyed the matte finish, so I added just a matte top coat. And I also added some watered down white lines to kind of give a watery effect to the design. So here is a look at all of that. Super simple, actually. And I really enjoyed it. So I hope you guys did too. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll talk to y'all tomorrow in another video. Bye!